Welcome to the DumpTek Sites Update tutorial. This update lets drivers select the location of the load and dump sites for each load using the DumpTek app. This makes haul sheets clear and more accurate, especially for asphalt paving and milling jobs. By default, sites are disabled and required to be turned on in the project setup. Without this, drivers will not see an option on their app for selecting a load or dump site. In the admin portal, your company's list of sites can be managed by navigating from the side menu. The sites in this list will be available to apply during your project setup. Let's create some example sites. Now, if we go to Projects, we can scroll down to where we see the toggle for enabling sites. Select the toggle to make all the sites appear for drivers to select on the driver app. Now, if we want to limit the sites the drivers have to choose from on a project, we can select the toggle, Limit Sites. This multi-select allows us to choose from our list of sites only the sites that we want the drivers to see for this specific project. Now, I'm going to add another site right here in the project setup using the Quick Add menu. And I'm going to select the sites I want to use for the project. You can see that I have 3 sites selected, so these will be the 3 options that drivers have to choose from when they are completing a haul sheet for this project. Let's save and close and go to the driver app. Now here on the driver app, I'm going to create a new haul sheet. I'm going to select the project, Asphalt and Millings Example. I'll put in some test data to get through the load site. Now, inside New Loads, I'm going to click Add Load. And you can see, when I select Load Site, it gives me the choices assigned for that project. I'll select Asphalt Plant as my load site. And then we're going to say we dump at mile marker 11. Now, we're going to add another load, and on this load number 2, the load site this time is mile marker 12. And we're going to say the dump site is back at the asphalt plant. And we were dumping millings. Now we will submit the haul sheet and take a look at it on the admin portal. So here we are back in the admin portal, and we're going to look at the haul sheet. You can see on the load site, the asphalt plant was selected and mile marker 11 was selected for the dump site of load 1. And then on load 2, mile marker 12 was selected as the load site. They were loading millings and they were dumping back at the asphalt plant. So that's it. Enable sites on your next project to experience better tracking and clarity of your load and dump sites today.